Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my channel, and you are watching Gurukul English classes. And today we will start the book Vistas from the class 12th, and the chapter is the third level. The third level is the psychological chapter in which we feel the psycho of the writer Jack Finney. The narrator of the story feels that there are three levels at the Grand Central Railway Station, but in reality there are only two. He has discussed this with his psychiatrist friend Sam. The psychiatrist says that he is unhappy and the modern man is engulfed in insecurities and fears. So man wants an escape from his stressful life. So this chapter is totally based on the story of modern man. So let's start the topic. The third level. The narrator of the story is going to the Grand Central Railway Station and he feels that there are three levels. He described his journey to his psychiatrist friend. His name is Sam. Narrator's psychiatrist friend says that the narrator's hobby of stamp collection is a temporary refugee from reality. The narrator does not agree with his interpretation. He argues that his grandfather lived in nice and peaceful times. His grandfather did not need to run away from reality. Still, his grandfather pursued philately of postage stamps. One summer night, Charlie worked late at the office in a hurry to get back home. He decided to take the subway from Grand Central. He crossed the arched doorway heading for the subway and got lost. The narrator walks down a corridor. He finds nobody and finds himself at the third level at Grand Central Station, or he assumes that he is in the third level. Here you can see his dress and the dress of the platform's people. There were smaller rooms, fewer ticket windows, and open flame gaslight. The information booth was made of wood and was looking ancient. It appeared that everybody at the station was dressed in the fashion of the late 19th century, as you can see in this picture. To be sure, the narrator got a copy of the World dated 11th June 1989, where the lead story was about President Cleveland. The narrator goes to the ticket window and demands two tickets for Galesburg, Illinois. He wants to go there with his wife, Louisa. To his surprise, the clerk at the ticket counter does not accept his currency bills. Sensing trouble, the narrator runs away from the third level to escape jail. But the narrator withdraws $300 from the bank next day to buy the currency of 1890. His psychiatrist friend is really worried over this. And after this, the corridor he saw in began angling left and slanting towards downwards. As you can see, all I could hear was the empty sound of my own footsteps, and I did not pass a soul. Then suddenly he saw that there were brass spoons on the floor, and across the station a glint of light caught his eye. A man was pulling a gold watch from his vest pocket. He snapped open the cover, glanced at his watch, and frowned. He wore a derby hat. Derby hat is the fashion of 19. The narrator fails to find the third level. Again, his wife is very worried and pursues Charlie to stop looking for the third level. But he resumes his hobby of stamp collection. His psychiatrist friend Sam disappears, and the narrator and his wife get proof of the existence of the third level. Now, both of them start their search for the third level. When a new stamp is issued in New York, stamp collectors buy it and affix a new stamp on an envelope and posted it empty. The postman gives proof of the date. The envelope is never opened and nothing is written inside it. This is called first day cover. So this is the question. What is called first day cover? Then this is the answer. While being finky with with his stamp collection, the narrator finds a strange cover mailed to the address of the narrator's grandfather in Galesburg. It has been present there since 18th July 1894. It bears a 6-cent stamp with the picture of President Garfield. The envelope contains a letter for Charlie by his friend Sam. And you can see this is the letter. So we read this letter, and the letter describes 941 Willard Street, Galesburg, Illinois, July 18, 1894. This is dated. Charlie, I got to wishing that you were right. Then I go to believing you were right. And Charlie, it is true. I found the third level. And this is a letter from Sam. I have been here 2 weeks, and right now down the street at the deli, someone is playing a piano and they are all out on the front porch singing, seeing Nellie home. And I am invited over for lemonade. Come on back, Charlie and Louisa. Keep looking till you find the third level. It's worth it, believe me. Charlie finds out that Sam had bought $800 worth of old style currency from the bank. This money was sufficient to set up a hay feed and grain business which Sam dreamed of owning. Sam is a qualified psychiatrist but can't go back to his profession in Galesburg of 1894 because the profession of psychiatrist did not exist at that time. So, in the last of the story, this proves that Sam was his psychiatrist. So this is the story of the third level. How is this? Please comment in the comment section, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, and thank you for watching.